Okay, here we go, another unboxing. This one is going to be a quick one. It's for Yongnuo YN300 Air Pro LED video light. I've seen a lot of good reviews about this, and I just wanted to up the standard of my YouTube videos. So lighting is one of the key factors, as well as the camera and the sound. So we've got the sound sorted, the camera's good, so the lighting is the other option to just improve things a little bit more. So let's crack on. Ordered through Amazon, and it was Amazon Prime, and it came to just under £35 for this light. That I've seen quite a few reviews of. So, oops, well packaged. Bit of bubble wrap to start with, and then we get into the actual box for the product. So let's have a look, see what we've got. So, glossy printed product. Just got YN300 Air Pro LED video light. Nothing on the back. Some Chinese writing. That's about it. So seems to be sealed. Just bear with me. So in the box, a little piece of cardboard with some Chinese writing on, QR codes, manual, the light, that's got a diffuser on there that you can't remove on the front. On the back, got AC power socket, the option of putting one of those batteries that everybody else uses for cameras, and got a knob there, some buttons there, display unit, some venting, and part of a stand holder. What else have we got in the box? So also in the box is this piece, which I believe is for handheld. Base unit for the stand, little cloth bag, very nice, and another part of the stand, I believe, or a mount. We'll have a look and be right back. We'll get this set up. So we've got it hooked up to an AC power adapter, and I had a quick play with it. So we've got on-off switch there, and you've got setting here for coarse, so if you can jump up in increments of 10 or down, and if you go fine, you just go right to the grain of the ones, so it's really fine tuning. And you've got a 3200K and a 550 5500K, sorry, setting. So you can set those independently, and yeah, so different color temperatures, and it's an 18 watt lumen. And there you go, you've got, see the different LEDs you've got in there. So looks good. Stand isn't quite as sturdy as I was hoping, but it will do for tabletop work, and I'll see how it cracks on with making videos. And there you go. So that's the Yongnuo YN300 Air Pro LED video light with 3200 to 5500K color temperature adjustable for DSLR cameras and camcorders. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.